Kabayan, imagine a life na mas may oras ka sa pamilya, may grupo sa sarili, at hindi ka nag-iisa sa pinagdadaanan mo. Alam ko, gusto mo rin yan. Ako po si Mary Ann or Maria from Cyprus, Europe. I love to travel and enjoy life. After 20 years working in retail at wala pa ring ipon, routine lang lagi. Trabaho, uwi, tulog, at deep inside, wala nang growth at parang nag-iisa ako lumalaban araw-araw. I suddenly found myself longing to enjoy life with my family. I was stressed and anxious about the future. Tumataas ang gastos, dumadami ang utang, at ang totoo, hindi sapat ang sahod natin. Kaya I started looking for something na makakatulong sa akin. Then I found this online business system. At first, curious lang ako. Then naging excited na ako. Hindi ko kailangang magbenta sa pamilya, and I didn't have to ask anyone to join. All I have to do was step in and follow the training site na madaling sundan with the global community na talagang nagtutulungan at nag-inspire. Ngayon, mas confident na ako sa future and every day I'm grateful at excited dahil sa opportunity na ito. To keep learning, to keep growing, and to keep sharing the good news to everyone. So kung ikaw ay coachable at naghahanap ng something that you can help you thrive at this stage of your life, bakit hindi mo i-check out ito? Just tap the Learn More button here, enter your name and email, at manood ng libre na 20-minute webinar. Doon makikita mo mismo ang stories ng thousands of people from all over the world na ginagamit ang system na ito kung paano nabago ang buhay nila. Kung nararamdaman mo rin na may kulang, oras sa pamilya, growth at support, baka ito na yung sign na hinihintay mo. Go ahead kabayan, walang mabawala sa'yo pero sobrang dami mong pwedeng matutunan. Looking forward to talking to you soon. God bless and bye-bye.